Is Hawaii the most beautiful place on earth? Maybe. Is it paradise? Definitely. No matter what you do there, you're on island time and you're feeling the paradise groove. And when you're bird watching, you're especially connected to that natural vibe. I don't know if that makes the birds more beautiful or if the birds are just more beautiful. You decide. I've got a clip here of an amazing sight. We just walked up. We were strolling down the beach. It was part of a park in Hanalei. I looked over and I saw these birds on the ground. We went over, put our cell phones up in camera mode and started filming these birds. And we were mesmerized for several minutes. I've uploaded a couple of minutes for you to enjoy here. Leave me a comment below if you feel a special groove when you watch these birds the way we did. If you like it, definitely hit the thumbs up. If you're not a subscriber to the Bird Garden YouTube channel yet, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and subscribe, and you'll get notifications if you ring the notification bell. We're using the community tab to send out all kinds of info. Check the description below. We've even written an ebook about our adventure in Hawaii. I think you're gonna dig Hawaii like we did, and that's why I'm making all this content available for you guys. And I hope you'll engage with the video and enjoy this clip. that's the way we saw it. And I hope you enjoyed it as much as we did. It was fantastic being there in that place and seeing those birds. This is the best we can do, is to bring it back in a video and edit it up really nice and just give it to you. See if you like it. If you do, say so in the comments. Let us know if you like the way we're doing it, if we did it right, if we did it wrong. We enjoy it. We're not going to put it out there for you if we don't enjoy it. It made our life better. We think it will make your life better. At least the hope is it'll take your mind off who's bugging you for a little while. Hawaii is one of those things you have to experience. Words don't get you all the way there. One of the things I said in the ebook was Hawaii was a labyrinth wrapped in enigma. And you don't understand otherwise until you adopt the aloha spirit and you listen to the waves that tell you you've been overthinking it.